meters. I got a problem with the rear left door handle. Water got inside. This is unit, but I opened it. Water got inside near those wires inside, and 5-volt regulator here got damaged, and my unit was dead. Switches, all of them, 1, 2, 3. Where is fourth? Doesn't matter. And I couldn't find another left rear door handle, but I have managed, and now it's possible to program any door handle, front left, front right, rear, any door handle to your specific one. I will buy front right door handle, take out electronic, and I will program it with my software, and front right door handle will work as rear left. Now we will read data. Now when we read data, we need to flash another unit. This is more complicated because I needed to open it for the first time. For second time, below you see 4 dots. On those 4 dots, it's possible to read. Now we will read flash. And now I have complete backup for my unit. From the bottom side, it's pretty much easier to open it. You see here is about 1.5 millimeter or 2 millimeters of this hard compound and plastic. It's very easy to open the hole, and you can see the spots here where they are from the bottom side. It's very easy to open it and to read it. Then you again cover it with glue or something very hard, and flash. Has been read. I'm not sure is there win or something, but I will figure it out. At this stage it's possible to remake this unit. That means I can make this same unit with the same components to control door handle. Don't forget to follow us.